Modern air warfare is no longer about speed alone. Winning the skies today means seeing first, deciding faster, striking earlier, and surviving longer. In this new era of combat aviation, one fighter jet is steadily gaining global attention for its intelligence, efficiency, and battlefield flexibility, the Gripen E. Developed by Swedish defense giant Saab, the Gripen E, also known as JAS 39E, is an advanced 4.5+ generation multi-role fighter aircraft, designed to dominate air, land, and sea missions while keeping costs low. Design philosophy in airframe. The Gripen E follows a small but smart design philosophy. Its canard delta wing configuration gives the aircraft exceptional agility, stability, and rapid maneuverability during dogfights. Unlike many modern fighters, Gripen E is engineered to operate from short runways, highways, and dispersed bases. This allows it to survive even when major air bases are destroyed during war. Engine and performance. Powering the Gripen E is the General Electric F414GE39 turbofan engine, producing nearly 22,000 pounds of thrust. This engine enables the aircraft to reach speeds close to Mach 2, while offering excellent climb rates and extended combat range. The Gripen E can also stay airborne longer thanks to improved fuel efficiency and external fuel tanks. Radar and sensor superiority. One of Gripen E's greatest strengths lies in its sensors. The aircraft is equipped with the Raven ES-05 radar, capable of tracking multiple air and ground targets simultaneously. This radar can detect enemy aircraft at long ranges and is believed to be effective even against stealth threats. Supporting the radar is an advanced infrared search and track system, which detects enemy aircraft through heat signatures without revealing Gripen E's position. Together, these systems give pilots unmatched situational awareness. Cockpit and pilot assistance. The Gripen E features a fully digital glass cockpit with large touchscreen displays, voice commands, and a helmet-mounted display system. An AI-assisted decision support system analyzes battlefield data in real time, helping pilots prioritize threats and choose the best combat options within seconds. Because of its intuitive design, Gripen E is often described as one of the most pilot-friendly fighter jets in the world. Weapons and combat capability. Gripen E is a true multi-role combat aircraft. It can carry a wide range of advanced weapons, including Meteor BVR AAM, one of the world's most lethal beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. AIM-120 AMRAAM and IRIST. Precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, long-range cruise missiles. Whether it's air superiority, ground attack, or maritime strike missions, Gripen E is built to adapt. Electronic warfare and survivability. Survivability is where Gripen E truly shines. The aircraft is equipped with a powerful electronic warfare suite, capable of jamming enemy radars, confusing missile guidance systems, and reducing detection risk. These defensive systems significantly increase Gripen E's chances of surviving in heavily contested airspace. Cost efficiency and maintenance. Perhaps Gripen E's biggest advantage is its low operating cost. Compared to fighters like the F-35, Rafale, or Eurofighter Typhoon, Gripen E is far cheaper to operate and maintain. It requires smaller ground crews, faster turnaround times, and less maintenance infrastructure. This makes it an ideal choice for nations seeking high-end capability without extreme costs. Global operators. The Gripen E has been selected by Sweden and Brazil, with more countries showing strong interest in the aircraft as a future fighter solution.